Will for Sound on the Hum Audio Devices booth at ProLight and Sound with Chris, who's going to show us a brand new stereo ribbon mic. This is super high end. It's,
thank you.
I mean, handcrafted. It's remote control capabilities. So,
exactly.
Chris, what's the story here?
I built this microphone by myself for myself because I'm recording studio owner. So I just needed this tool for my recordings. So that's why I built it with my friend. So this is, my baby.
So you saw a need for this thing in the studio. What sort of what are the applications then of this sort of stereo ribbon mic?
It's great for grand piano because we are recording very often grand piano in my studio. It's great for strings. It's also great for overheads. So generally, it's multi-purpose microphone. So it's really cool, I think.
So can you talk us through some of the features then? Because we've got this coincident pair of ribbon mics.
Yes.
And remote controlled, what's going on there?
It's remote controlled via regular XLR cable. So no additional special cable is needed to connect the remote controller. Preamplifiers, mic preamps are built inside the mic body, so the signal path from the ribbons, from the motors to the mic preamps are very close. So it's very important in the ribbon mics because the signal is very weak. So the path is very sensitive from the microphone to the preamp. So the shorter better generally.
Sure. So you cut that distance right down, then you go straight into the preamps, and then you have a line output from here. And can you tell us about the circuitry then within the microphone? What's going on with the preamps, transformers, op amps, all these sorts of things? What are you using inside?
Yes, I use Landau transformers, input and output transformers Landau. All discrete electronics inside. So I mean, op amp is all discrete, based on Jensen project, Jensen design. Generally, everything is THT, no SMD inside. So it's of course handmade, hand soldered. So just
And can you tell us about the construction as well, then? Because it looks very nicely made. It looks like it's been CNC'd. Is that the case?
Yes, it was a CNC machine, everything. So generally, project is very complex because the head is rotatable. It was very difficult to do it properly, to work smooth. So generally, it's very complex project, and we built it more than a year. So it's a lot of time, but I think the result is really good.
So you can turn it to use it in a sort of standard left-right coincident, like an XY essentially configuration, or you can do it as an MS pairing.
Yes. You can rotate the head from regular LR position XY or just bloom line to mid-side position, and you can decode the mid-side signal to stereo via internal MS matrix, mid-side matrix. So it's also very useful when you use the mid-side technique.
And there are also some other useful controls on the remote, aren't there? So can you talk us through these controls that we have here?
We have air boost. It's very smooth, high frequency boost. It's very good, especially for ribbon mics. We have 3-step low cut filter, phase inversion for both channels at the same time simultaneously. Dim option is very useful because it makes the gain level to 0. It's very useful when you change the position of mic. It just protects your speakers. It's obvious. Of course, both channels you can set the gain separately.
So you could blend in the sides, for instance, if you're in an MS configuration.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, great. How much is it going to cost then, and when will it be available, this thing?
Our price for distributors, because now we are looking for global distributor, is $5,000. US dollars, yes, of course. Now it's available from our website, but of course we are looking for good global distributor for our mic and for our products generally.
Okay. Well, thanks very much for showing us, Chris.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.